Hello, okay, you are welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. What I'm trying to tell you right now is the reason why many people are loading account upon account on synthetic indices. Okay, it's because you can't predict direction of the market. Now, the only thing I can say here is to every hardship in life, to every difficulty task in life, there is this one company, or let's say there is one key solution to that, and it's going to be provided by human being. So this signal that happened like this, I drop it in the VIP. Let me show you other signals that I drop in the VIP. So I don't know why you should be blowing your account from time to time. Okay, I drop this upward move. It's just retracing, it's still moving. Okay, I equally drop this. We are still following it up. I equally drop this. Okay, when you enroll for synthetic MT5 trading course, you're gonna learn how to do all of this. You're gonna learn how to do all of this. I drop this one. I drop this one in the Boom and Crash VIP group. When you enroll for the synthetic course, we actually teach you all the synthetic indices from 𝑽𝑶𝑳𝑧 down to jump indices to boom and crash indices in one course. Even anything that has to do with the synthetic, DS900, down and up, all of that. DFS, we have DFS like when you go to DFS indices, these are Forex based derivative indices, like the derived Forex indices that mimic normal Forex assets. So you can see that you have no reason to be losing all this while. I also predicted these ones. You see it's changing by 16%. It's changing by 16%. You can see these are things we have been doing for a long time right now, and a lot of people are still blowing our account. It's funny thing that when you are when you are in the ocean and you still get drowned in the ocean when you see some ship coming to save you, simply because you don't believe or you don't want to take action. Just make a small move, you're gonna enter the ship of success. So you really need to ask yourself question: why is it that I have not come across our academy, WINFXTRADING Academy? Why? And now you have to take the necessary action. Okay, see, we have been doing this for long, and it's helping a lot of people. We predicted this movement. I would like to go to daily time frame so you can see clearly. Predicted this movement. Okay, prediction of direction of market is actually based on a deep insight of the market analysis and how we understand it. So some people are still buying all the way like this. They're buying, they're struggling to buy, but we know that this is the direction. Once we define direction, we don't care about the retracement. Okay, so it left for you to start taking decision right here. It left for you. I think I made mention of this in my videos about this guy here. I made mention of this, that the reef gonna push market in one direction, and that's what happened. Either you long it or you short it. For you to do that, you really need to get the deep insight, deep knowledge of how to do it. Okay, you see this guy down index, there's 900 down index pushing down. in the daily time frame. You know, the market needed someone to be swinger. It's more better to be swinger than to be scalping, because the retracement is gonna fight you while you scalp, but when you swing, you're gonna remain on the trade for longer. Massive profit awaits you. This is over 5,000 pips. Okay, we're gonna beat this market down. I'm not happy with all the losses a lot of traders have encountered. We're gonna beat this market down if you work hard to save education, which is you have to enroll for synthetic MT5 course. I'm gonna show you something realistic here. Okay, you see, nothing is hidden in this life when you have made up your mind to to reduce yourself from poverty, and nothing is hidden. It's only open when you want to pay the price. Like, if you can be able to pay the price, whatever you want in this world is available. There are people that can take care of that. What I'm saying here is, you see, the number one course is Forex MT5 trading course. The number two is synthetic MT5 margin trading course. Very soon, the price might go beyond this, because of what? There is no like that. It hasn't been easy to get a company like us that can actually give you the value we are going to give you. So when there is high demand, expect the price of these courses to rise. Actually, all these courses are forex asset, just like stock market. Expect it to rise. Don't expect it to crash, because it is more valuable than ever. If it is not valuable, then why is it that the current courses you have is not making you profit? So this is actually working. You can see how I predicted all those signals and we traded it in the VIP. So you see, there are about 9 courses here. So the one I'm talking about is this one, number 2. You see, there are what you call specialties or areas of concentration. You can decide to focus on 𝑽𝑶𝑳𝑍𝒐𝒕 jump indices. So you'll be given a separate course left for you. The more money you spend, the more money you expect to make, because you are safe educating yourself. You are getting knowledge so that you won't be making mistakes, or you won't be trading around. Okay, so that is it. Start taking action.